Alrighty guys, we're here at Menards, here in Bloomfield Hills, Michigan. And we're gonna take a ride on this glass elevator here. Here's the map. Elevator up to even more stuff upstairs.
Yep.
Going down?
Yep. I put a call out there, went to voicemail, of course I left a message, so I should be able to hear back anytime. Did you check into that insurance for the service line? Alright, sometimes it is in there, so could be a sweet deal.
Here you go. Go back up to 2. Let's go back down to 1. There's the state of Michigan thing. Capacity is 7,000 pounds. Innovation Bruiser. This is actually MEI. It's a nice big glass elevator. You know, let's take a long ride. Nice. Going down?
Yeah. Thank
Can't even put a bird thing.
No, because the window it doesn't open.
Go ahead.
Sorry, so loud.
You're good.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Okay.
Let's go through around here. Watch you go up. Who's gonna get in the elevator?
Yeah.
Thank you for shopping at Menards. Use that glass doors, but nope. There goes the glass elevator. Look at that. Very cool. Very nice store. The only mega Menards store here in the state of Michigan. So, anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.